What I do for work is consulting primarily. 75% of a first impression is generally what you look like, then how you sound, and a very small amount is what you actually say. And my teeth had been a struggle. We needed a solution, and there were a variety of options out there, and this was the one that we felt best met the requirements. Quite frankly, I have never in my life ever worked with a doctor's office, a clinic, a surgeon that had this level of patient service. The level of professionalism in the care was just exceptional. And then my follow-up experiences that have been with you, you're the most accommodating and concerned group of individuals I have ever worked with in any field, medical, dental, any of that. And so it's hard to explain how different this experience is. It's that different. That if there was one word that I could pick that would describe how it's different, is I'm confident. A smile is the same in every language. And I feel confident to smile at someone that helps me put them at ease. Thank you.